everyone, it's Nicole from Sydney English Teacher. Thank you for coming back for another tongue twister. This one is quite funny. Which is which? They all sound the same, don't they? Let's do it. Which is which? Which is which? Which is which? Which is which? Your turn. Which is which? Which is which? Which is which? Try it faster. Well done. That was really, really good. So practice that one, which is which, and come back again soon for another tongue twister. Thanks for listening today. Bye.